here. The first of which, it doesn't seem to me to be a very smart business strategy to antagonize these regulators, because they will retaliate with big, chunky fines at the very least.
No.
And that's just the start of things.
They won't. This company makes $1 million in profits an hour, or put another way, about $20,000 a second. So whilst we've been speaking, they've made about over $100,000. If it was a country, it'd be the 86th largest in the world. It's bigger than Kenya by revenues compared to GDP. I was speaking to a broker that I worked with yesterday to get an insight into, is there any slowdown in tech investments, given the earnings, given any of this negative stories from the Department of Justice. Broker 24 Option I was speaking to yesterday, and they said, no, we're getting record interest in shareholders buying these and trading these stocks. It is not diminishing. These fines, which are about 3 months worth of profits, are nothing.
Well, except for we don't know. We don't have a number to put on it yet. So yes, I mean, we might be comparing.
It's the price you pay of doing business.
Well,
and do you know the sad thing is?
We're talking about tens of billions of dollars in the European Union alone, and then we are looking at perhaps more in the US.
$1 million an hour in profits. The sad thing is,
but
the workers on the floor
doesn't
and hasn't until you break it up. The sad thing is, the workers on the floor, they're the ones whose salaries won't go up as a result, because they'll pay people like me and they'll pay the Department of Justice. They just won't pay those. They need to be paying those, and one way to do it is to threaten them with breaking up those big. It's essentially a monopoly.